I wrote a book called From Oven to Market. What you're about to see is what that book turned into. This is the whole road, from your kitchen to a real business, and how one guide grew into an entire ecosystem built to get you there. Let me tell you about someone I kept meeting. She can pull a gorgeous loaf out of the oven, and her neighbors are already asking to buy it. The talent's there. What's missing is the roadmap. Nobody's ever sat her down and explained the rules. So she's guessing at her prices and giving her time away for free. She's frozen by cottage food laws she doesn't understand. And she has no idea how to set up a table that actually sells. Here's the truth I ran into again and again. Pulling a loaf out of the oven is a real skill. Selling it is a completely different one. For years we lived on Facebook, and Facebook's a wonderful hallway. It's great for reach, and it built our community. But it's made for scrolling, not for teaching step by step. Lessons get fragmented, homework gets buried, and your focus falls apart. What I needed was a library, a quiet place for serious teaching, a real curriculum where you could track your progress, a classroom, not just a comment thread. School gave us that classroom. It's the space to learn, focused, with the conversation kept tight on growing your business. And then there's the space to do. The video lessons live on school, but the roadmap, the worksheets, and the storefront builder all live inside our own custom app. School handles the community and the teaching. The app handles the tracking and the heavy lifting. Together, they just work. Think of it as 3 rooms. The front porch is baking great bread at home, our big free Facebook community, where we talk craft, hydration, and the plain joy of baking. The free classroom is Crust and Crumb Academy, our school community, with structured bake-alongs and real craft education. And then there's the paid workshop, From Oven to Market. That room's only for bakers treating this as a business. No hobbyist distractions, just pricing, laws, and market days. This didn't come out of nowhere. The footprint is 38,500 members on Facebook and 6 published books on bread. The engine is Crust and Crumb Academy, running a 56% engagement rate, which on school is almost unheard of. We're in the top 0.5% of every community on the platform, number 67 overall, and number 1 in bread. And the proof? We're the number 1 ProveWorth certified 5-star community on school, backed by 61 verified reviews. Here's the gap in this market. What's out there is the anecdote, a video of some owner's personal success story, a static PDF, a pile of advice with no structure and good luck figuring out the math. What we built is a system, a 45-lesson curriculum that goes in order, software that builds your storefront while you learn, a live cost engine that keeps your margins right at any scale, and a community of people walking the exact same path. So how does a stranger become a student? It starts with discovery, a YouTube video, a blog post, a pin on Pinterest. Then comes the spark, a 60-second quiz, or our free Price Your Loaf calculator. From there, the nurture, a 25-day run of 6 emails that give you real value on pricing, laws, and markets. And finally, the threshold, where you step into the paid world on your own time when you're ready. That's our lead engine, and it has 3 parts. The blog, with over 350 posts answering the exact legal and pricing questions bakers type into Google. The 60-second quiz, which sorts people by where they really are, hobbyist, curious, or prospect. And the Price Your Loaf calculator, the best hook we've got, because it hands a stranger real numbers about their own bread before they've spent a dime. The goal is simple and steady. 5 qualified leads a week. Here's the blueprint. 9 modules, 45 lessons in 3 phases. Phase 1 is foundations, getting legal and licensed, understanding the true cost of a loaf, handling insurance and risk. Phase 2 is selling, looking like a pro, connecting with customers, working the farmer's market. Phase 3 is scaling, your AI-powered storefront, and learning to grow without burning out. 2 ways in: self-paced at $497 or coached at $997. Now the videos where you understand something. The worksheets are where you decide it. There are 22 different kinds of fields in here, covering ingredient costs, overhead, labor rates, even a complaint log. Look at the order pad. It runs your numbers all the way down. 43 cents of ingredients, your overhead, your labor, to a true cost of $2.68 a loaf. Add a 30% margin and you land on a selling price of $3.85. And these aren't dead PDFs. Every answer saves to your record, turning your rough thoughts into the hard numbers and policies that build your website. This is Recipe Pantry Pro, your profit co-pilot. There's a slider that scales a recipe from one loaf at home up to a full market table, and it does all the math for you, instantly. The live cost engine uses your own ingredient costs and your own labor rate, so your margin's built before you crack a single egg. Split chart production shows you how to turn one base dough into a whole table of different products. And compliance is easy because it prints your cottage food labels straight from the data. Most home bakers can't drop $3,000 on a custom website, so we build one for you, quietly, in the background, while you take the course. The answers you give across those 8 modules, your name, your prices, your story, your policies, automatically generate a fully branded 10-section public site. And it runs on a reservation model. Customers pre-order online and pay you in person at the booth. No card fees, no compliance headaches, no payment liability. Then there's the monthly market kit, your reason to keep showing up long after the course is finished. Every month you get one seasonal bread recipe, fully costed and priced in Recipe Pantry Pro. A print-ready compliant label, a seasonal angle because what sells in July isn't what sells in October, and a one-page cottage law tip that answers the biggest legal question of the month. Our email knows who you are. If you're a hobby baker, you get the weekly bake, all craft and recipes and joy, and we never pitch you the business tools. If you're a selling baker, you get the From Oven to Market nurture and the student emails, all pricing, margins, and market strategy. It all runs through one clean resend pipeline, so the deliverability stays tight, the footers are right, and unsubscribing is one click. Feeding all of it is the content engine. The anchors are 400-plus in-depth YouTube videos built to rank on search and earn trust over the long haul. Opus Clip slices those anchors into short, 30 to 90-second pieces for Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And it's all community native. Themed weeks like Pretzel Week that build into those massive Saturday bake-alongs, 1,700 comments deep. None of this gets built by one person alone. I run an AI kitchen brigade. Claude Code is my quarterback, handling strategy, coding, and launch coordination. Claude Desktop runs daily operations, recipe verification, course drafting, and blog writing. ChatGPT is my brand designer, building thumbnails and visuals that stick strictly to our voice. Lovable builds the actual app software, and the production line runs Notebook LM for the slides, 11 Labs for the voice you're hearing right now, and CapCut for assembly and music. Here's the trick that makes a crew of AI tools actually work together. If every tool starts from zero each morning, the business will contradict itself. So we built the AI backbone, a shared memory layer on Vercel and Supabase. Every tool pulls from it before it acts and pushes its new decisions back in. And a shared Airtable calendar keeps the whole brigade marching to the same schedule. So this isn't a course. Not really. It's an operating system. It isn't a PDF, and it isn't just a playlist of videos. It's a curriculum that teaches you, a community that catches you, worksheets that capture your decisions, software that does your margins, and a builder that launches your storefront. It's the only end-to-end ecosystem built specifically for cottage food bakers to grow without burning out. We launch June 29th, 2026. The course is ready. The apps are built. The content engine's primed. The emails locked in and landing in inboxes. The tiers are set, 497 self-paced, 997 coached. The nurture sequences are queued and ready to fire. Day 1, we open the doors, turn on the ads, and welcome the first group into the room. And here's the one thing I want you to hold on to. Perfection is not required. Progress is. You already did the hard part. You learned how to bake. Now, let's turn that beautiful bake into a real, thriving business.
So now that you've heard all of that, the real question is whether we're right for you.
Maybe you bake just for the people you love, your friends, your family, the folks around your table. Maybe you've caught yourself wondering what it'd be like to sell your bread one day. Or maybe you've already started your cottage food journey and you're ready for whatever comes next. Wherever you are, take the 60-second quiz and find out if we're a fit. We're from Oven to Market, a division of Crust and Crumb Academy. Come bake with us.